Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. There are plenty of benefits of using API testing automation over completing this testing manually, making it an ideal route for organizations looking to complete API testing. Some of the benefits to consider when thinking about using API test automation include greater accuracy. One of the main benefits of using automated API testing is the higher level of accuracy that is available to the user. An automated system goes through the code methodically, testing each of the features one by one in the same way every time. This means that developers have certainty in the fact the results are accurate after doing each test, helping the development process to go forward with confidence and a better understanding of where any bugs are. There are further benefits in comparison to manual testing, as you don't need a coding expert to run an automated test. More time efficient. Completing automated testing is a much more efficient use of your time. Organizations that are developing API and programs that integrate them are working to tight deadlines, and saving time for both an individual developer and the process as a whole is essential for achieving greater success. Specific developers spend less time on the testing process itself as they set the automated test going, then leave it. Just to emphasize though, this is not a set and forget process. A strict process must be in place to review, adjust, and optimize the results of the API automated test. The test is also faster, as there is no need for an individual to check all of the outcomes with an automated piece of software, speeding the whole process up. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.